All right, making peanut butter fudge with two products, peanut butter and frosting. This recipe costs under $4 in less than 10 minutes to make. Now this is terrible for you, so be aware of that. And I'm sure you kind of figured that out. You're eating a thing of frosting, but everybody can make this if you have a microwave, or you can make it on the stove. I think you can probably heat the peanut butter up to liquefy it and the frosting up to liquefy it on the stove. I have no idea. Not sure, but I'm making it in the microwave. And a lot of people say, hey, what are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make simple recipes that people can do at home, be a little entertaining at the same time. Next time I won't use parchment paper. It made the edges all jaggedy. And if you're giving it away, which I am, most of it, you want to make sure that you clean those edges up. I don't think the parchment paper is completely necessary, so nix that next time. But I highly recommend everybody try this out if you like peanut butter and sugar. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate it very much.